भूत भी आएगा आपके सामने तो आप डेफिनेटली मतलब हो गया प्लीज 2 मिनट रुक जा, 2 मिनट रुक जा, ये पैम्पर चेंज कर लूँ फिर तू आना मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है अभी. Is going to hurt your child or harm your child in any which way, you automatically feel the need to, that andruni shakti nikalti hai. I said yes to the project based on the fact that it was a story. It's one of my favorite stories actually of Kali Ma and Rakht Beej. कहीं ना कहीं होता है एक माँ पे प्रेशर के इन 3 महीने में मुझे इतना सारा कुछ सेटल करना है कि कोई मुझ पे सवाल नहीं उठा सके कि तुम अच्छी माँ हो या ना. ये सवाल नहीं उठना चाहिए मुझ पे. In real life, I would say handling the mood swings of the teenagers for sure, no two ways about it. But in real life, I think it's about a mother's protective instinct that is raised when you see that your child is threatened, and that's something that I think is a base instinct in everybody. Every parent across the globe. I wouldn't say that it only belongs to mothers everywhere. It belongs to everyone, everywhere. Every parent everywhere. Whenever you see that, there is something that is going to hurt your child or harm your child in any which way, you automatically feel the need to, that andruni shakti nikalti hai. और suddenly आप सुपर वुमन बन जाते हो, कुछ अजीब सा ये बदलाव आ जाता है आप में. I said yes to the project based on the fact that it was a story. It's one of my favorite stories actually of Kali Ma and Rakht Beej. So what would happen if it came into today's day and time? What would be the result of it? And I said yes on that basis, but then it became a horror later. And so yeah, that's how I accepted the film. The horror came later, but the story, the script, all of the way we put it together, all of that came first. I think that there is a huge tradition in our country of, I wouldn't call them myths so much as an oral culture, really. So it's storytelling is a huge part of our culture. तो काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें जो है वो मतलब दादी ने सिखाई हैं माँ को, माँ अपने बच्चे को सिखाती है ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, अब शगुन है और ये सब है. एंड दीज आर थिंग्स दैट द आइडियाज़ क्रिएट good ideas have a certain belief behind them, and that belief has its own power. आप 3 बजे सुबह उठते हो तो और ऑलरेडी आधे घंटे पहले उठ चुके हो या आधे घंटे पहले सो चुके हो तो ज़रूर अगर भूत भी आएगा आपके सामने तो आप डेफिनेटली मतलब हो गया प्लीज़ 2 मिनट रुक जा, 2 मिनट रुक जा, ये पैम्पर चेंज कर लूँ फिर तू आना मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है अभी. आई थिंक एज अ पेरेंट yes, you have to protect them, and but my children are much older now. My children are not so small. मैंने काफ़ी सीख पढ़ा दी है उनको, तो अभी मुझे अपना कहीं ना कहीं अपने परवरिश पे भी भरोसा करना पड़ेगा कि देखो मैंने इतनी देर तक सिखा दिया है, अभी अब वक्त आ गया है आपको अपने ये लेसन को टू लर्न योर लेसन एंड टू प्रैक्टिस इट नाउ. एंड द ओनली थिंग दैट यू कैन डू एज अ पेरेंट एज फॉर टीनेजर्स आई वुड से इज़ टू लिसन टू देम and to just sit down and listen to them. Sometimes just listening to them makes them also see your point of view and makes you also see their point of view. I think the most vulnerable phase of a mother is probably the initial 3-4 months, I would say, 3-4-5 months. It's training ground for your routine, all of it to come into place, and also it's also how you will be seen eventually. So you have that pressure also. कहीं ना कहीं होता है एक माँ पे प्रेशर के इन 3 महीने में मुझे इतना सारा कुछ सेटल करना है कि कोई मुझ पे सवाल नहीं उठा सके कि तुम अच्छी माँ हो या ना. ये सवाल नहीं उठना चाहिए मुझ पे. तो I think yes, it's the first 3-4 months.